In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload to a Google Drive shared link. If someone has shared a Google Drive folder with you and asked you to add files, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do and how to avoid common hiccups. First, open the shared link in your web browser. The link should take you straight to a Google Drive folder page. Give it a second to load so you can see the folder contents and the controls around the page. Next, confirm you're signed in to the correct Google account. Look at the top right corner for your account picture or initial. If it's not the account that was granted access to this folder, switch to the right one or sign in. Drive will only let you upload if the signed-in account has the correct permissions. Now check your permission in the same top right area. You'll see a label that says Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. If it says Viewer or Commenter, you don't have upload rights yet. In that case, reach out to the folder owner and ask them to change your access to Editor. Once they update it, refresh the page so the new permission takes effect. When you have Editor access, look to the top left of the folder window and click the new button with the plus sign. This opens the Upload menu. Choose File Upload if you're adding one or more individual files like photos, PDFs, or videos. Choose Folder Upload if you want to send an entire folder and keep its structure. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the file or folder you want to add, select it, and click Open to start the upload. Keep the browser tab open while it progresses. You'll see an upload status indicator in the bottom right corner of the Drive window, and large files may take a while depending on your internet speed. When the upload finishes, the items will appear in the folder list. If they don't show up immediately, try refreshing the page. If an upload fails, double-check your permission and connection, make sure there's sufficient storage in the shared location, and try again from the new button using the same file or folder. That's all there is to it. Open the shared link, verify the right Google account, make sure you have editor permission, use the new button, pick File Upload or Folder Upload, and confirm the upload. With these steps, you can reliably place your files exactly where they need to go in Google Drive.